judges first.
Okay, well, one, there is no incumbent in this race, so I don't.
That was a reader question. They were thinking that.
Oh, okay.
the candidates.
Okay, well, I'll just answer it this way. There is no incumbent. I believe that the people that are up here with me are qualified. I believe that I am more qualified because of the types of cases that I've handled, ranging from complex business disputes to the smallest of car wreck cases to representing a minor in litigation and how that works. The other aspect of my practice over the years has been, writing briefs, whether it's summary judgment or not, writing appellate briefs, which have gone before appellate courts, where I've been successful. But the final thing is that in being a temporary probate judge, when I was doing that, and when I was an administrative law judge, I had to write opinions after hearing evidence, weighing facts, weighing witness testimony, and that experience is invaluable.
As a clerk for the Supreme Court of Alabama, I actually wrote opinions that are now published. That legal analysis will be very valuable on the bench. My experience as an attorney over the last 23 plus years has been extremely broad. I've handled cases involving very complex products liability, medical malpractice issues, as well as wage and hour cases involving hundreds of clients in one case. But also my life experience. I come from humble beginnings. I know what it's like. I was born here in Birmingham, raised on a farm in the country, and returned here by choice. My varied life experience, in addition to my legal experience, makes me the best choice for Place 10.
Well, similar in the sense that I've had a very broad civil practice, everything from car wrecks to medical malpractice, products liability, class actions. I have a number of decisions that where appeals were written and had landmark decisions in certain areas where the Alabama Supreme Court adopted my brief almost entirely verbatim as their opinion on the law and clarifying the law. In addition to that, over a 17-year career as a lawyer, I've got 15 years of having worked as a carpenter, cabinet maker, and small business owner, and had the experience of having to be in civil litigation as a non-lawyer. And I think that will inform my ability to run court in a way that's fair to everybody, and that everybody would have the confidence that they're being treated fairly.
Jefferson County is one of the few counties in the whole state where the courts are very specialized. This particular seat, place number 10, only hears civil cases. In most other counties, a circuit judge would hear civil cases, criminal cases, divorce cases. They hear everything. But in Jefferson County, we're so large and have so many judges that this particular subplot only hears civil cases, generally over $10,000, or if you're asking for equitable relief, such as an injunction, things of that nature. Over 25 years, that's what I focused on. My first couple of years, I did a little more general practice, but over the past 25 years, this is where I've been, and there's no way to replace that experience. It's to see how a case, or to know what's going to happen from the beginning into the end of a case, and know how all the pieces are going to fit together. A judge really needs to understand that so that he or she can be fair from the beginning to the end to all the parties, and also just to understand the realities of life as far as the lawyers and the parties that are in a court. It's just so important, and to see my clients over the past 25 years and what the struggles they've gone through, and to interpose that into a court system, it's a difficult thing to do. I wanted to be the first one with the bell.